Alright, so I've been wanting to film like clothing videos for a while, and I didn't know what I was doing, and I honestly haven't had like any time. I had family in New Jersey. I saw family in New Jersey. Then when my one uncle leaves, my other uncle comes and he's staying at my house, so it's just, life's been a little hectic. I'm redoing my room. That's why I have a blue piece of furniture in here. I'm gonna whitewash it and paint it white, but anyway, I'm on a tangent. So I've been wanting to make some videos because I have a whole bunch of clothes that I want to like redo and flip and stuff like that. So today I wanted to start out with a really simple video. I'm gonna do a few more of these. I just have to teach myself how to use the sewing machine that we have, but I will get there. So for this video, I'm going to take my Levi's jeans and cut them into shorts, and I'm scared, but it's gonna be fun. So these are the Levi wedgie jeans. Mine are in the size 27. The waist is big because it always is, but this is what we have. They go all the way down, which I'll show you guys more in depth, but I actually got them from TJ Maxx for $20. So I'm gonna take these and turn them into shorts. So don't mind the stuff under my bed. Like I said, I'm reorganizing, and I have shelves under there just so that they're not in the middle of my floor until I put them away. But here they are. I'm very short. They go all the way down. I think these are straight cut, I believe, but yeah. So these are the Levi's jeans, the Levi shorts that I have. So I'm gonna base it off of these. I'm gonna cut the jeans a little bit longer than these because I want them a little bit longer, but then also you have to give room for them, you know, like better to cut them longer. So I'm gonna cut them a little bit longer, like I said, so maybe around here, and then if I want more off, I will cut more off. So I'm gonna take a piece of chalk that I cannot find right now. I had it on my bed. I'm gonna mark it out like right about there. And I'm only gonna do it on the one pant leg because that's what I've seen a lot of other people do. They'll mark the one and then flip it and do it that way. So okay, so I just have a regular pair of scissors. I'm just gonna cut right along here, and I'm very nervous, but we're gonna do it.
This feeling I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see?
All right, so now I'm just going to fold them over.
Do you hear? It's cold. Do you want a bite of me? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above now.
Alright, so they're pretty much even. It's like a teensy bit off, but I don't know. Alright, let's try these bad boys on. I don't care for this length, like I want them a little bit shorter, but I am glad that I did a little bit at first. Actually, I don't know. Maybe I do kind of like this length. I'm gonna put my belt on just to see what they look like with a belt on. But I do think I'm gonna cut them a little bit more. I think I'm gonna cut them like literally like an inch or two more. Yeah, so I'm happy with this length. It's a little uneven right here. It's like, you know, I'm gonna have to cut it up a little bit higher here, but that's fine. I can do that. But yeah, I'm happy with this length. So I'm gonna fix this leg right here, and probably this leg just to make them even. And then I'm gonna fray it just a little bit, just so they look worn and not so brand new. All right, so I'm gonna fray the bottoms a little bit, and then we'll be done. I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine, which you shouldn't wash Levi's, but I want them to look worn and used. So I'm gonna throw them in the washing machine, let them get more frayed. I don't know. Don't be afraid to like get in there though. This is where we're at so far, but I'm gonna go throw them in the washing machine and we'll see. Be careful with your Levi's. You technically shouldn't wash them, but I did it because I wanted them to look more worn and everything, and these fluffed out a little bit more, which I'm very happy with. I love them. I'm very happy with them. Yeah. Again, be careful when you're washing them. I wanted that worn in, like, vintagey kind of look, so I don't mind washing them. It doesn't bother me, but Levi jeans have their own, like, special washing thing. You're not supposed to wash them very often, so here we go. Alright, so that's pretty much all for this week's video. Just me kind of transforming my Levi jeans. I wanted to do something quick and easy for my first, like, clothing flip video because, I don't know, I just want to start off slow and going big. And I'm actually thinking, maybe not next time I do a flip video, but one of these days, hold on, let me grab them. This might sound crazy, but a part of me wants to kind of take the pant legs of these and maybe make them into like a shirt or something. I don't know. We'll see. That might not work out, but I thought that would be kind of cool. I definitely want to use these. I'm not going to get rid of them or throw them away or anything like that, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, that's pretty much all for this week's video, you guys. Super simple, super easy. I've been wanting to get into more like clothing fashion videos for a while, so I'm really excited to finally be doing it. Yeah, yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and comment down below. Let me know if you're excited to see some other clothing flip videos or what you want to see from me. I'm in my house and I don't really go anywhere, so I will film whatever you guys want me to film, and yeah, I think that's all. If you guys are interested in seeing more of me or more of my clothing or whatever it is you want to see, go to my Instagram. That will be linked down below. It's _faithxful. And my Twitter, which I honestly don't tweet that often. I usually just retweet. But if you guys want to follow my Twitter, it's faith_Bahantis. I will leave that link down below as well. Yeah, I think that's all. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. If you like me or my channel or my content or anything, please subscribe because that helps me out a lot. And yeah, feeling really good right now. Pretty happy. What am I doing? Yeah. Remember to trust God and just trust in Him. It's honestly all I can say for today. It's what I'm learning every day. More and more is just trust in God. So, I love you guys, and I will leave you with that, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it will cave in and swallow me.